What's up, y'all? This is your girl Samara Lene, and today it's all about skincare. I have the pleasure of showcasing some amazing products from a black-owned business by the name of Bree Aesthetics. By the way, this packaging is really cute, so let's get into everything they sent me. Open it up. See what I got. Ooh, okay. So this is cute little travel case skincare bag. It says this is my skincare routine. Super cute. And then on the back there's her logo. And for one, I love the pink because that's one of my favorite colors. And then there's a lot of room in here too. So if you want to put your little makeup tools in there, your skincare products, it's definitely enough room to take on the go and throw in your purse. Okay, so what else? Oh, I've been needing one of these. This is, I don't know what you call it, but it's like one of those tools to apply your face creams and moisturizers and stuff. So yeah, thanks a lot. Definitely needed this. Oh, what's this? Okay, very soft and plush. It's a nice little mat. I'm wondering if this is a mat to like clean your brushes too. If so, let me know, Bree. But I'm pretty sure you can also use this to like pat your face dry when you're done washing your face and everything like that. So definitely a good thing to put in your kit.
There's a lot of goodies in here.
Ooh. Oh, I've been needing one of these too. Okay, so I normally use like a Clarisonic type of thing. So yeah, this is cool. This is the dual action facial brush, and it says deep cleansing, brighten and improve the complexion, loosen dirt, oil, remove dead skin cells and makeup residue, boost the blood circulation, products, anti-wrinkle, make your skin looking fresh, smooth, and radiant. Okay, well, let me open it up and see the color. Okay, I got blue. It's a nice blue. It's like a kind of like a turquoise blue. Really cute. It comes with let me take it out of the packaging so y'all can really see the size and everything. So it's like a really nice compact size for you to just really get into your pores and deep cleanse. And I love the fact that it's handheld. It's a lot smaller than the facial cleanser that I currently have. So you can definitely get all these products from Bree Aesthetics. There's also a USB cable that comes with it so you can keep it charged and stuff. Oh, another good thing. A mist sprayer. Okay, let me show y'all. Let me see how I need to turn it. Yeah, okay. Here you go. You see it? The mist sprayer. You can add water to it, and it is USB chargeable, so you don't need batteries, which is a great thing because nobody got time to be buying batteries these days. But it makes your skin full of elasticity and moisture with ultra high-speed vibration technology named Super Long Wave, providing your skin best moisturizers and allows skin to be easily absorbed to receive several nutrients from mineral water. Nice, very compact too, because I like to throw everything in my purse, so perfect. Especially if you want to like refresh your makeup throughout the day. Good thing to buy. Ooh, and I got another face care applicator. You can also use it for moisturizers, cleansers, serums. You know, you can use it for anything just to lather up your skin without using your fingertips, because sometimes that can transfer bacteria and you don't want that. But yeah, Shout out to all my boss babes who are starting their businesses, and you know, even the ones who are still working their full-time jobs but doing their business on the side. I really salute you guys. Shout out to Bree Aesthetics once again for sending me these products. I will definitely include them in my daily skincare routine and keep y'all posted on how you can purchase these products as well. And y'all take care of your skin, because once again, without flawless skin, you cannot have a flawless feet. Stay tuned.